my god.
Dude, that is a fucking giant!
Oh
Are
my
you
god!
fucking shitting me right now?
I can't believe what's happening. My fucking heart is racing right now.
I have never seen one that big.
Dude, I've never seen a fish fucking do this.
I'm gonna try to get us to the other shore over
He's
there.
just hanging under the boat.
Yeah, just don't give it slack. We gotta
Oh my God.
we gotta get a picture of you holding that thing
Dude.
out of the water.
Oh my god.
I'm recording this, guys.
Dude, I don't even know what I'm doing fighting a fish this big, actually. Never fucking hooked a fish this big. Oh shit, that's too loose.
Yeah. Real. A little bit. Make sure you keep pressure on it.
Oh my fucking...
This is insane!
Dude, that fish is over 30 inches long.
Are you? It's pushing 40, I would guess.
Oh my god.
And it jumped a couple times. That was awesome.
Jumped like a fucking torpedo that one time.
Yeah,
That
totally.
one time straight up. They're going right to the shore, you know that?
Yeah.
Probably keep us out shallower, away from these sticks. Holy fucking shit. Dude.
You'll be alright.
Just shaking. Shaking like a motherfucker. Dude, he blasted that thing the second it hit the water.
This is a once in a lifetime fish.
Don't put any pressure on me. I don't even know what I'm doing, honestly. I don't even know
Go on the
what
other
I'm
side,
doing.
Luda.
I don't know if this is even like tiring him out or...
Yeah, it's gotta be. We need to be on shore to land him though. There's no way we're getting...
I mean, if he's dead ass tired, maybe. There's no way we're getting a picture.
Here he comes, coming up. Other side, Luda.
Sorry.
Should we go to shore, you think?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, it's maybe not as big as I thought.
It's fucking big, dude.
Is it?
I mean, it's over 30. I think. It's thick.
It is thick. Oh my god! Oh my word.
Reel it in some more.
I don't know. Yeah, I'm waiting for him to make another freaking run. Thank God I have that steel leader. That thing is fucking
gosh.
buried in the corner of his mouth.
Can you get out?
Oh my fucking God. Dude. Oh my God.
Whoa. Where are you? Whoa. Oh my lord.
Fucking shit, dude. That thing's scary looking, dude.
Oh my
Dude, I
god.
don't even care if you can, like,
I'm gonna get it.
get the line.
Beach the boat. Get rid of my phone.
He is running again hard.
You got him.
It must be deeper than I thought here. I don't know.
Reel this way.
Come over that way. You ready for it?
Yeah.
You spear still,
Yeah, I
man.
got it, dude. We're
All
gonna
right. You gonna kill him?
Oh my god. Holy crap.
Kill that bitch, dude. Kill that bitch.
Oh my god.
God. I gotta get
Yo.
a picture with that thing.
Yeah.
somehow.
Look at this.
I can't get out.
Oh my
man.
God.
No way.
You open your bail.
Whoa.
Open my bail?
Yeah.
Hey, look. Oh my god.